Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day so far. In today's video, I'm going to share my complete skincare routine. It's more like a deep skincare routine which I do at least once a week, and I'm going to share it with you guys today. So let's get right into the video. Having a good skincare routine is really important to have a better skin. So I do not apply makeup every single day. So in those days, my skincare routine is like really simple. It has like only two steps. One is like cleansing and moisturizing my skin. But I do like a complete skincare routine. It's more like a pampering routine at least once a week using all those products I have inside this bin. So I'm going to share with you guys a step-by-step instruction on how I personally do my skincare routine. So in all the skincare routine, the first step is to remove the makeup if you have any makeup on your skin. I use this very simple makeup remover that I purchased from Amazon. Again, I will link all the products that I mentioned in this video down in the description below for you guys to check it out. I'm using this Blue Heaven micellar cleansing water, which is free from parabens, and I'm using it to remove the makeup that I have on my skin. So the next step is cleansing. So cleansing is like a really important step in our skincare routine. It is important to cleanse our face in the morning as well as in the night before going to bed. So the main reason we cleanse our face or like wash our face using any face wash or a cleanser is to remove the dirt that gets stuck on our skin, and also to remove the excess oil that our skin secretes throughout the day. So by doing so, our skin will be free from acne. So I'm using this particular face wash from this brand called Himalaya. I'm using an aloe vera flavor in it. I'm also using like a Clarisonic face brush to cleanse my face. There's no need to use a face brush. We can very well go ahead and use our hands to wash our face. So like if you are following like a very simple skincare routine, after cleansing your face, you can just very well go ahead and apply your moisturizer. But if you're doing like a deep skincare routine, and next step is to like use a facial steamer. So I'm using this particular one that I purchased from Amazon. Facial steaming is a great option for many skincare problems. If you are doing a like deep skincare routine, then I suggest you not to skip this particular step. It opens up our pores, and it is also very helpful in removing those blackheads as well. And the next step is exfoliating our skin. So I'm using like this homemade face scrub. So I'm taking like a small amount of this scrub and I'm applying it all over my face, followed by like a gentle massage. So I massage it especially in between my nose and this chin area where like there'll be like lots of blackheads. Just after like exfoliating, I could already feel that my skin has become like really smooth. And the next step is like applying a face mask, and I'm applying this particular homemade face mask. It is specially for tan removal, and I'm working on this particular recipe and I will be uploading a video in upcoming week. So I'm applying like a thin layer of this face mask throughout my face, and I'm going to leave it for like around 15 to 20 minutes or until the face mask is completely dry. First thing, I'm going with the toner. If you get irritation in your skin, you can just very well go ahead and skip this particular step. After applying toner to my skin, I applied this eye cream. I take like a really tiny amount of eye cream in my forefinger, and I just rub it to just warm it a little bit, and then I pat it under my eye. Then I used this particular jade roller, which I have already mentioned it in my video, and I just massaged it lightly under my eye. And then the final step is moisturizing our skin. You can either rather use some moisturizer, or you can just go with any face oils. Here I'm going to use Winter Defense Moisturizing Cream for dry and extra dry skin. So my skin is like really dry skin even during the summer months. You can see that it is like 100 ml tub and it is only like 130 rupees, which is like really affordable. All it requires are like a tiny amount of cream, and you can just apply it all over your face. Again, I'm using this jade roller to evenly spread the cream and also to give my face like a quick massage. And this is my like a very deep skincare routine, which I do at least once a week. I really hope you guys found this video useful. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.